Hello guys, good morning. This is Danny Zambrano. Now we are at Villa Paraiso Mountain in our farm, and we are continuing our planting of corn, yellow corn. Likewise, we planted also banana, latundan, and saba. So ngayon, pipilitin natin ma-attend ito kung hindi man matapos ngayon, to be continued tomorrow. Kailangan lang talagang kuan. So today is August 19, 2023, Saturday. We are taking the opportunity makapunta dito at inuunti-unti natin nililinis, dinidevelop yung land in such a way in the next year may iaayos na natin ang gusto. Kasi naghahanap din tayo ng pwedeng caretaker at saka ng strategy kung saan tayo kukuha ng tubig para pagdating ng araw na walang ulan, may magagamit tayong pandilig sa ating mga crops. Meantime, sinosurvey ko kung saan yung pwedeng kuhanan ng tubig at kung anong mga gagamitin. Maybe we have to acquire hose, siguro number 2 or number 1.5, then a water tank plastic. Kaya lang kailangan din natin ng caretaker na malapit dito in such a way na para time to time na magdidilig siya, dadali niya yung generator, i-install niya yung mga hose at may iaayos yung pagdidilig. So ganyan talaga guys, we need to sacrifice, we have to endure. Kailangan natin ng matinding endurance, dedication at persistence para matapos natin ang ating mga activities na matamnan ito, ma-develop ito in such a way maging suitable na to for crops at makapagtanim din tayo ng other fruit trees. Marami ngayon dito mga Gmelina, mga alibangbang, saka other mountain trees. Kailangan din siguro natin magdala dito ng mga fruit trees para sa gayon. Total still the season is part of the rainy season, but since accordingly may kung daw ata El Nino at pag-aralan natin kung sa mga desyertong lupain ng mga Israelita ng Israel nagagawa nila paraan, why not here in the Philippines na hindi naman to desyerto. This is soil, it has many crops being grown in this land area, so magagawa din natin. So that's all, thank you and good morning.